If you follow me, you see time and time again, midweek pickup. And this one, I'm stoked for. I am thrilled to death. If it's as good as it looked in pictures, then it is worth my time. Let's go get it. Let's gander at some scenery and a little bit of fall in Delaware. This is a really nice area. There's a deer, but you can't see it. But this is Brandywine Valley, maybe. I don't know what the hell they call it, but it's near Longwood Gardens. We're sneaking in the back way to Pennsylvania. There's a lot of big houses, you know, a lot of the big money players live back in these areas. Winterthur Museum and all that stuff. This is the famous point-to-point racetrack they do once a year where they all dress up, come in on fancy old cars and drink beer. Here we go. This is what I'm after. Nice case. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Money under. That's it. I don't even have to look at it till I get home, no matter what. The purchase is made. I didn't drive all this way to leave it. We'll open it up as soon as I get home. What the hell? Let's open it. What the hell? Upside down. Here we go. There it is. This is nice. God, it's nice. That thing's ready to type. Looks brand new. Old stock. Smith Corona. Let's get it home, check it out. Wow, in historic Pennsylvania, I think this is London Grove. I'm not going to bet on it, but check out the old buildings, old houses. It's pretty cool. Alpacas. Alpacas. No Amish yet. Country scenery. It's coming to an end now for the yard sale, and so I'm gonna have to rely on what I just used to pick up this wonderful typewriter. Facebook Marketplace. They got the back inside there drying. I think these are Amish, I'm not sure. This is beautiful. This whole countryside deal is gorgeous. After some pizza, it's time to crack this baby open, and let's take it out and take a gander at it. And here we go. We got a nice little Smith Corona. It's a beauty. Look at that. Floating shaft. Check it out. Check it out. Looks like it's a silent but deadly. That's something I like saying. Woo, baby. This is clean, man. This is so clean. I see I don't know what came off of that, but everything else looks really good on this typewriter. And I bet you the damn thing writes. Everything feels good on it. This is a really nice find. In this good of shape. I don't think I have this one. I've got something like it, but I don't have this particular one. They had it upside down. They didn't realize that it goes in there and not the other way around. So the case is there. Case is in great shape. The typewriter itself is in great shape. It's a great pickup. What you think I paid? $25. That's right, $25, and I'll do it all day long. This is a really nice typewriter. Really clean, really nice. Everything in the back looks good. I mean, this is a beauty. So when I can find them like this, I'll go out of my way to go get them. This was about a half hour from work, an hour away from my house where I'm at. So you just get in there, get in the vehicle, and go pick the stinking thing up, which I did, and it's mine now. Under the carriage, it's looking good. This is a nice little pickup for an older typewriter. I like it, and I'm sure that people that collect these and buy and sell and trade these, they would like it too. While making that video, this happened. I sold the moon and stars. Bang, bang. Compare it to a couple other ones. I have a small one. This is a little bit. And then I got a bigger one right here. These are some of the other typewriters that I have in this house at arm's length away. So brought it up just to compare. That's a really nice Remington. This is an OK Royal that actually needs some work. But everything cosmetically looks good on that. This is ready to type. This probably is too. So here's 3 right here that I have, like I said, for you to gander at. Let me throw a few more up here just for giggles. I've even brought back an oldie but a goodie. This folds. That's a really cool one. I'm not going to break it out and put it through the, through the motions, but that is an awesome, a great shape one. That's an old crone. I think that's my oldest out of the bunch, as you can see. This flips over there, and bang, bang, you start typing. So there you go. There's several that are thrown up here for your viewing pleasure, and I still have more. So I just thought I'd break out with a few of them. I'm not going to throw them all out here. That would fill this whole room up. I've got like over 20 some of these typewriters, from big ones to littler ones. So there's my latest. I think it's a Remington that's in mint shape. This one's close. This Remington's very nice too. So, but there's some typewriters for your viewing pleasure, and that's my pickup for today, and I'm thrilled with it. $25. This one here I think was 10. This one was 10. This one I paid for a little bit. I think that one I actually paid over $70 for. That I picked up at the airport in Philadelphia. That's the only one I've ever really paid any big money for. So there you go. There's some typewriters to gander at, and I've got plenty more where those 4 came from. Newest in the collection. Actually, I'll be selling it down the line. This is a few of my typewriters, and that's it for this video. Till the next time, I say later. Side by side, let's line these sports cars up. Typewriters. These ones are probably 2 of the nicest ones I got for their age. They're very nice, and I forgot. I just found that one, so I had to throw it in the video because it's a beauty. I think I picked that up last winter. So this is my second of the fall. I picked up a boat anchor last Saturday. Hopefully some more to come. Aren't they beautiful?